Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create a navigation bar with icons in Figma. First, let's pick some icons from the Iconify plugin. I'll choose the icons for Home, Heart, Settings, and Logout. I have already selected the icons. Once you have your icons, create a frame for the navigation bar. Select the icons and add them to the frame. Set the auto layout for the icons to ensure they are spaced evenly. Now, create 4 screens: Home, Favorites, Settings, and Logout. Copy the navigation bar and paste it at the bottom of each screen. Change the color of the icons to match the text on each screen. For the home screen, change the home icon color, and so on. To create the prototype, connect each icon in the navigation bar to its respective screen. Select the navigation bar on the home screen and link the home icon to the home screen, the heart icon to the favorite screen, the settings icon to the settings screen, and the logout icon to the logout screen. Now, play the prototype to test the navigation bar. Click on each icon to ensure it navigates to the correct screen. That's how you create a navigation bar in Figma and set up a prototype. Thanks for watching. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.